I've seen so many videos about how you should break down your monthly salary into needs, wants, and savings, like it's really easy. A very popular one is known as the 50-30-20 budget. Let's see how easy it is to split your salary into these three categories using this method. Firstly, here is what this type of budgeting strategy means, with 50% of your salary going towards your needs, 30% to wants, and the remaining 20% to savings. The average US salary is currently $59,428 after tax, with total monthly expenses between $3,361 and $4,641. As you can see, even if your total annual expenses is at the low end, that is still 68% of the average annual salary, way above the 50% allocated to needs, i.e. your living expenses. It's easy to make videos saying follow this approach, but with food, rent and utilities having shot up, especially post-COVID-19, it's not easy for people to do. However, I do feel comparing your total annual expenses to your annual salary is a great way to establish how much you could potentially save. If we go back to the average salary, and the low-end expenses of $40,332, an example could be like this, with 68% going to needs, 13.5% to wants, 17% to savings, with some cash left as a buffer. So why not try this yourself, and write down your annual salary and then deduct your annual living expenses, and see what you have left to allocate to your wants and savings. Look to see where you could make savings in your living expenses too. Check out my videos around saving money. Times are tough, and when I started, I began by using any spare cash to clear down debt, then investing just $10 a month, and putting another $10 a month in an emergency fund. You'll be surprised how a little soon adds up. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you hit like, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.